Let's talk about Trump's tariffs, those taxes on foreign goods meant to boost American industries. A federal appeals court just ruled most of them illegal, saying Trump acted more like a king than a president. The case, V.O.S. Selections vs. Trump, challenges the president's power to impose tariffs without Congress. The court paused its ruling, giving Trump until October 14th to appeal to the Supreme Court. This decision questions the president's ability to unilaterally wage a trade war. It sets the stage for a legal showdown that could redefine presidential powers. The ruling is a major blow to Trump's trade policies, which he still champions. It highlights the tension between presidential authority and congressional power. The decision could reshape how trade policies are made in the future. It all started because a president wanted other countries to pay, even if Americans bore the cost. Tariffs are taxes on imported goods, meant to protect domestic industries by making foreign products pricier. Trump used tariffs as a tool to address trade deficits and bring back jobs. The court ruled that the president overstepped by using the International Emergency Economic Powers Act to impose long-term tariffs. This law wasn't meant for such broad economic measures. The lawsuit targeted tariffs under trafficking and reciprocal tariffs, which exceeded IEEPA's scope. The ruling reinforces that there are limits to presidential power, even in emergencies. It highlights the power struggle between the White House and Congress over trade authority. The court's decision is a reminder that Congress holds the ultimate power to tax and regulate commerce. Trump's reaction to the court ruling? A tirade on Truth Social, calling it a partisan attack. He insists the tariffs remain, projecting confidence in winning the legal fight. The administration plans to appeal to the Supreme Court, defending the president's right to protect economic security. This legal battle is framed as a fight for Trump's America First agenda. It's classic Trump doubling down and attacking the court's legitimacy. The case is a high-stakes political drama, playing out in public opinion and the Supreme Court. It's about power, policy, and who makes the rules in Washington. The outcome will shape the future of presidential authority. Despite the court ruling, tariffs remain until October 14th, pending a Supreme Court appeal. The administration warns of economic chaos if tariffs are struck down, claiming they protect American industries. Critics argue tariffs raise costs for American companies and consumers. The legal battle will impact whether tariffs remain a presidential tool or return to Congress. Businesses face uncertainty, unsure of future costs and trade policies. The decision will affect supply chains, prices, and U.S. global trade relations. It's a high-stakes economic gamble with significant consequences. The outcome will determine the balance of trade power between the president and Congress. This legal fight has real-world implications for the economy and American workers. This case is about the separation of powers in American democracy. The court sided with Congress, reinforcing its authority over trade and tariffs. The ruling challenges the president's ability to act unilaterally on economic matters. Congress has historically delegated trade authority for efficiency, but this case reevaluates that balance. The Supreme Court's decision will set a precedent for future presidential economic powers. If the court sides with Trump, it expands presidential authority. If not, it reasserts congressional power. This case is more than tariffs. It's about the balance of power in Washington. The outcome will shape the rules of government and economic decision-making. It's a crucial chapter in American democracy, determining who holds the power to shape our economic future.